Hi, this is Bob Danbury. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to my video logs on the adventures of the sailing vessel McKenna. Today's subject is like really cool, everybody's favorite subject, and that is buying a boat. And the question is, can you really buy a boat for $2? And the answer is yes, you can. Stay tuned, watch the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, leave a comment. I am always open for suggestions. So stand by and enjoy the show. So, can you buy a boat for $2? Yeah, this guy right here. Only $2 today. Believe it or not, there are boat yards all over the world. Actually, they're junkyards. And all you have to do is go check them out. Another way, just go to your local marina and talk to the people around the marina and see what's for sale in the back lot. You'll be surprised what's available. There's all kinds of cool boats out there. Maybe you can find the Minnow, the SS Minnow, or maybe a beautiful $1 million yacht. But watch out, there's guard dogs. But if you're like most people that don't have $1 million to spend on a boat, there's another way to find your dream boat, and that is via the internet. If you go on Facebook via the marketplace or eBay, there's all kinds of boats out there. They were all somebody's dreams, and unfortunately, most of them have passed away, and the estates have no idea what to do with these old boats. So what do? They give them away to Boat Angels, which is an organization that want to donate the boat. So you go in for a low amount, maybe $1.25 or maybe $10 or whatever. It may be $3,000, and you can find yourself a really good boat underneath all that dirt. Just check them out. So you're probably thinking, man, people don't do this. Well, guess what? I did. I came across this one, Sportcraft, a 20-foot open fisherman. Had no motor on it for $1,500. I took one look at the boat and the trailer. I go, done deal, write the check.
What we have here
but the only problem with that boat, it had no engine. So I went out and bought a brand new 200-horse Suzuki for it.
The trailer originally came through a boat auction, and it's actually in very, very good shape.
So now you're wondering, does this boat work? Well, check this out. We're flying along at almost 48 miles an hour. Across the Potomac to the St. Mary's River, and I'm exploring today, just like when I was a kid. And what we have here is the famous St. Mary's College. This is their boating area. Imagine all these college students, they got all these nice little sailboats and I saw some other ski boats over there. That's their little yacht club. I don't know, that's really nice in here. Very beautiful. I wish I could have gone to school here. If I would have gone to school here, hey, you know what? I could have been a, Supreme Court justice. I like beer. No, I'm just teasing, folks. So why buy a used boat? Well, when you go out on the water, you never know what you're gonna see. I hope you don't mind me filming you. Be on YouTube later on. So that is like freaking cool. So like, I'm just zooming out here exploring, and I looked out in the distance and I could see something really strange, right? I go, that is an old sailing ship. I go, cool. So I just sort of stopped the engine and just let them come zooming by. That's what I like about exploring out on the rivers. You never know what you're going to see out here. So, wow, that's pretty cool. I'm totally stoked. So, start your adventure, go out and buy a boat, hang a motor on it, put it on your dock, or put it on a trailer. Just get out on the water and start living your life. But the best part is the kids. Take the kids out on the boat, go water skiing. These are memories that they will have forever. I hope you enjoyed our videos, and I want to thank you for watching. Hey, have a cold beer on me, go sailing, and have a great life.